Hey guys, Sakitech from Sakitech, and in today's video we are going to be talking about a very important privacy setting that you may want to turn off immediately. So basically, if you own a Samsung Galaxy phone, there is a good chance you have unknowingly agreed to share diagnostic and usage data with Samsung. This includes app usage patterns, device activity, network information, location, and much more. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what is being collected and how to stop it right now if you want. So on your phone, go to your Samsung settings to check if you are sharing the data. Scroll down and go to Security and Privacy, and then scroll all the way down and go to More Privacy Settings. You tap on it, and this is the setting I'm talking about. It says Send Diagnostic Data. Now you can see in my case, it is turned on. I can turn this off and I'm good to go. But before I turn this off, I do want to show you guys what is actually going on here. So it says send diagnostic data to Samsung to improve Samsung services. With your consent, they collect diagnostic and usage data of your phone. If you agree, this data will be sent to your Samsung phone. Now, I'm going to tap on details. I want you guys to see this because it's very important. Here's the terms and conditions. So let's do it this way. I'm going to take a screenshot of this entire terms and conditions. As you can see, I'm going to do the whole thing. This is it right here. And now I'm going to go over to ChatGPT and I'm going to paste that photo, the terms and conditions that I just took, the screenshot. I'm going to say summarize. Tap on go. And look at this. It says this screen is Samsung's diagnostic data consent form. It tells you exactly what Samsung collects. It collects your device information. It collects how you use your device, your connections and your network information, charging status, usage patterns, errors and crashes. It gets your mobile carrier information. It actually tracks how you use apps, which apps, how often and how long, memory and battery usage, as well as your approximate location data based on the cell towers that you connect to, and potential GPS location if location services are enabled. Now, it does say right over here that Samsung is going to use this information for improving products and services. And Samsung is not the only one that does this. Apple does it, Google does it. So it is not a Samsung specific thing. It is not something to be angry about. It's just something that you need to be educated on so you can turn this off if you don't want to send your data. So if you're somebody that cares about this stuff, just turn that setting off. And I do want to show you one more thing. If you go to settings again, privacy and security, at the bottom, more privacy settings, you can see Android at the bottom has something very similar that you can also turn off. Again, if this was enabled, you'd see the check mark, but I turned off mine. So that prevents the same thing for Google, and this prevents the same thing for Samsung. So with Samsung and Google, you can turn off this information if you don't want to send it out. Again, every company does this, nothing to be mad about, but if you don't want it and you accidentally signed up without knowing, because it happens sometimes, you can turn this off right here in this setting. Okay, guys? Quick video to get you guys educated on your privacy for your phones. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, drop them down below. Let me know. For now, have a fantastic day.